Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something truly epic lined up for you. So, today's video is all about the top legendary anime of all time, as per Raijin. These are the shows that have captured the hearts of millions, and if you haven't watched them yet, now is the perfect time to dive in. Most of these anime are fan favorites, and I'm sure you'll find something you'll love. Just a heads up, this video might be a bit long, so grab some snacks, settle in, and stick around till the end because I've got an exciting announcement for you. Let's kick off our legendary list with Dragon Ball Z, a true cornerstone of anime history. The story follows Goku, a Saiyan warrior who protects Earth from powerful villains. Through various sagas, Goku and his friends face formidable enemies like Frieza, Cell, and Majin Buu. Each saga is packed with intense action, emotional moments, and the relentless pursuit of strength and justice. Vegeta, the proud Saiyan prince, starts off as Goku's rival but eventually becomes one of Earth's greatest defenders. His journey from a ruthless warrior to a hero with a heart of gold shows incredible character growth, making him a fan favorite. For Raijin, Vegeta's unyielding pride and royal demeanor set him apart as the ultimate warrior. Next up is My Hero Academia, set in a world where nearly everyone has superpowers, or quirks. The anime follows Izuku Midoriya, a boy born without a quirk who dreams of becoming the greatest hero. The series tracks his journey at UA High School, where he trains under the legendary hero All Might and makes friends and rivals among his classmates. Characters like Deku, Todoroki, and Bakugo each have their unique struggles and strengths. Todoroki, Raijin's favorite, is particularly compelling due to his internal conflict between his fiery and icy powers. A reflection of his troubled relationship with his father. His pride and determination to forge his own path make him an unforgettable character. Another legendary anime that earns its place on this list is JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. While I haven't watched it yet, its reputation as a unique and influential anime is undeniable. This series is known for its distinctive art style, creative storytelling, and the concept of stands, spiritual manifestations of a person's fighting spirit. Each part of the series follows a different member of the JoJo Star family as they face off against supernatural enemies. Characters like Jotaro Kujo, Dio Brando, and Joseph Jojo Star are fan favorites, known for their iconic catchphrases and intense battles. The public adores them for their larger-than-life personalities and the intricate, often bizarre, plots they navigate. Moving on, we have Naruto Shippuden, an anime that continues the story of Naruto Uzumaki as he strives to become the strongest ninja and protect his village. The anime delves deep into themes of friendship, sacrifice, and the burden of legacy. While Naruto and Sasuke are central to the story, many other characters steal the spotlight. The Uchiha clan, with figures like Itachi and Madara, is particularly revered for their tragic backstories and immense power. Hashirama Senju, the god of shinobi, and Minato Namikaze, the Yellow Flash, are legends in their own right. Rajan's favorites, Itachi, Madara, Hashirama, and Minato, are celebrated for their wisdom, strength, and the profound impact they have on the story and the shinobi world. Next on our list is Attack on Titan, set in a world where humanity is on the brink of extinction, trapped within enormous walled cities to protect themselves from the terrifying Titans, giant humanoid creatures that devour humans. The story follows Eren Yeager, who vows to eradicate the Titans after they destroy his hometown and kill his mother. As the series progresses, shocking secrets about the Titans and the history of humanity are revealed. Characters like Levi Ackerman, a skilled and ruthless soldier, and Mikasa Ackerman, Eren's loyal and fierce companion, are beloved by fans for their courage and complex personalities. Although I've only watched the first 3 seasons, the public opinion highlights these characters as some of the most compelling in anime history. Another epic addition to this list is Demon Slayer. The story follows Tanjiro Kamado, a young boy whose family is slaughtered by demons, with his sister Nezuko being the sole survivor but transformed into a demon herself. Determined to find a cure for his sister and avenge his family, Tanjiro joins the Demon Slayer Corps, an organization dedicated to hunting down demons. The Hashira, the elite warriors of the Corps, play a crucial role in the battle against the demons. Among them, the Flame Hashira, Kyojuro Rengoku, is known for his fiery passion and strength. The Water Hashira, Gyu Tomioka, is stoic and skilled. The Stone Hashira, Yomei Himejima, is the gentle giant with immense power, and the Thunder Hashira, Zenitsu Agatsuma, though often fearful, shows great bravery in battle. For Raijin, these Hashira embody the spirit of the Demon Slayer Corps, making them our top picks. Continuing with another classic, Hunter x Hunter follows Bone Freaks, a young boy who discovers that his father, who he thought was dead, is actually a legendary hunter, a member of a group of elite adventurers who seek out rare creatures, treasures, and secrets of the world. Determined to follow in his father's footsteps, Bone takes the grueling hunter exam, where he meets lifelong friends like Killua Joldik, a boy from a family of assassins. The story is rich with complex characters, moral dilemmas, and intense battles. Hisoka, a dangerous and enigmatic character, adds an unpredictable element to the series. For Raijin, Killua stands out as a favorite due to his dark past, incredible combat skills, and deep loyalty to Gon, making him one of the most fascinating characters in anime. Following closely behind is Dragon Ball Super, which continues the adventures of Goku and his friends after the events of Dragon Ball Z. The series introduces new threats from different universes, leading to the epic Tournament of Power, where fighters from various universes battle for survival. Goku and Vegeta, as always, are at the forefront, pushing their limits to protect their universe. New characters like Jiren from Universe 11 and Hit from Universe 6 become fan favorites due to their unique abilities and formidable power. For Raijin, Vegeta remains the favorite, especially with his continued growth and the battles he faces. Goku's Ultra Instinct transformation, which caused a stir on the internet, is a highlight of the series, but Vegeta's evolution and pride resonate more deeply with us. Another legendary anime on this list is Bleach, the story of Ichigo Kurosaki, a teenager who gains the powers of a Soul Reaper, a guardian of the afterlife who fights evil spirits known as Hollows. As Ichigo delves deeper into the world of Soul Reapers, he encounters a host of powerful allies and enemies. Captains like Byakuya Kuchiki, who is known for his calm demeanor and mastery of his blade, Aizen, who becomes one of the series' greatest villains with his intelligence and power, and Kenpachi Zaraki, who lives for the thrill of battle, are among the most memorable characters. Their strength, style, and complex personalities make them iconic figures in the anime world. Last but not least, we have One Piece, which follows Monkey D. Luffy and his crew of pirates as they search for the ultimate treasure, the One Piece, which will make Luffy the Pirate King. The series is known for its vast world, rich character development, and epic battles. Luffy, with his boundless energy and determination, is the heart of the story, while his crew members like Zoro, the swordsman with an unbreakable will, and Sanji, the chivalrous cook, each bring their own strengths and personalities to the adventure. Other characters like Shanks, Luffy's mentor, and Dragon, Luffy's mysterious father, add depth to the story. For Raijin, Zoro and Luffy are the top favorites, with Zoro's loyalty and Luffy's dream making them legendary figures in the world of anime. Before we wrap up, I've got some exciting news. Alongside my anime videos, I'll also be diving into coding tutorials and other tech-related content. So, if you're into anime and coding, this channel is going to be your new favorite spot. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support means the world to me, and I can't wait to bring you more awesome content. Until next time, this is Raijin, signing off.